In a quiet village at the foot of Misty Hills, where the stars seemed to twinkle brighter than anywhere else, a young dreamer named Ellie often gazed at the night sky. Her favorite constellation was Stardust Peak, a cluster of stars said to hold the secret to eternal wonder. The villagers spoke of it as a place in the heavens, but Ellie believed it could be found on Earth if only someone was brave enough to look. One evening, as Ellie sat by the river sketching the stars, a strange glow lit up the water. From the shimmering light emerged a small, glowing fox. Its fur sparkled like the night sky, and its eyes held galaxies within them. "Ellie," the fox said in a soft, echoing voice, "Stardust Peak is fading. The stars above and the magic below are connected. If the peak's light goes out, the stars will dim forever. Will you help?" Ellie's heart raced. "I'll do whatever it takes," she said without hesitation. The fox nodded. "Follow me, and be prepared. The journey will test your courage, wisdom, and heart." The fox led Ellie to an ancient archway in the hills. Carved into the stone were words that glowed faintly: "To reach Stardust Peak, pass through 3 gates, the Gate of Shadows, the Gate of Reflection, and the Gate of Unity." Beyond the archway, Ellie found herself in a dark forest. Shadows danced and whispered, forming eerie shapes. Suddenly, a towering shadow creature blocked her path. "Face your fear to pass," it growled. Ellie's legs trembled, but she stood tall. "I fear failing those who believe in me," she said. "But I'll keep going, no matter what." The shadow creature dissolved into mist, revealing the path forward. The path led to a crystal-clear lake. As Ellie stepped closer, her reflection rippled and spoke. "Why do you seek Stardust Peak?" Ellie hesitated, then answered, "I want to bring light and hope to the world, just as the stars bring wonder to the night." Her reflection smiled, and the lake parted, revealing a bridge made of starlight. At the final gate, Ellie encountered a broken star, its shards scattered across the ground. The fox appeared beside her. "The star can't shine alone. Rebuild it to pass." Ellie gathered the shards, but they were too heavy to lift alone. Remembering the fox's words, she called out, "I need help." The forest creatures emerged, rabbits, birds, and even the shadows from before. Together, they pieced the star back together. It pulsed with light, and the gate opened. Finally, Ellie reached Stardust Peak. The summit sparkled with stardust, and at its center was a glowing crystal pulsating in sync with the stars above. But its light was faint, flickering like a candle in the wind. "What now?" Ellie asked the fox. "The peak needs a guardian, someone who believes in its magic and can protect its light. Will you stay?" Ellie's heart ached at the thought of leaving her village, but she knew the importance of her choice. "Yes," she said. "I'll stay and keep the light alive." As Ellie touched the crystal, she felt its warmth fill her. The stars above brightened, and the villagers back home marveled at the sky's brilliance. Ellie became the keeper of Stardust Peak, her spirit forever connected to the stars. She knew she'd never see our village again. But she also knew she'd given the world a gift that would last for generations. And so, whenever the villagers looked up at the constellation of Stardust Peak, they felt Ellie's unwavering hope shining down on them.